Hi mga kautang! Heto naman tayo. Silipin natin itong isang ola na lagi ding nagpapapansin sa ating FB wall. Familiar ba kayo dito kay Petacash? Well, nasa Play Store ang app at madali lang i-download. Pero madali nga ba ang loan process? After ma-download, enter the number. Then, mag-send sila ng verification code to verify. And then, ID info, personal info, work info, reference info, pwede one contact only. But, add lang isa pa kasi ang sabi, 98% of borrowers with more than one relative contacts get loans in 10 minutes. 1K to 25K ang pwede pagpilian na amount and to pay after 14 days. Pero syempre sa first loan, di talaga tayo mag-expect ng big amount. Kaya trinay ko 2K. Then select bank and put the info of your bank account. Next, selfie na. And then, wait 10 to 15 minutes. Ang sabi, our employee may call to clarify some details. Pero, wala namang tumawag. And, approve tayo agad. Pero, 1K lang. Then, 1,268.20 to pay after 14 days. At valid in 1 day lang ang offer at may timer talaga counting 24 hours. To proceed, sign in na sa loan agreement. Then, after that, wait naman ng 10 to 15 minutes to notify na success ang transaction. So, check ko sa bangko at dumating ang 1K in full. In fairness, 1K in full. And then, may nag-notice na ang sabi, I increase your approved amount with every successful loan. Small amount nga lang at medyo malaki ang interest. Almost 37% in just 14 days. But if badi needed ka, pwede na rin kaysa wala, di ba? So, ang ratings ko kay Petacash, 1 out of 5 lang muna. Kasi, 1K lang approve. Sana kung 2K ang approve. That's it for now, mga kautang. I hope kahit papano, this little info from me ay makatulong if i-consider nyo ba si Petacash kapag nagipit kayo. Bye for now and thanks for watching. See you again here in Utang Queen. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.